Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about growth and development. Usually, growth and development are often interchanged, but these two are different. Growth means increase or addition in size, weight, height, etc. That is quantitative change, and it can be measured. We measure the growth. And development implies certain qualitative change in quality, characteristic, etc., which cannot be measured. It is a qualitative change. Growth, it is a quantitative change we can measure, but development, it is a qualitative change in characters which cannot be measured. Let's discuss some difference between growth and development. First, growth. Growth is quantitative in natures. Okay, growth is quantitative in natures, and development quantitative in natures, and development it is a qualitative in natures. Growth refers to physical change. Growth, it refers to physical change of an individual, like physical change like increase in height, increase in weight, size, length, etc. And development refers to overall change in physical organs and structures that result in improved functioning of our physical organs. Growth, it is physical, and development it is a overall, that is physical change, mental change, emotional change, social, morals, etc. Okay, physical growth, it is physical change, but development it is a overall change in characters, physical, mental, social, emotional, psychological, etc. Growth does not continue throughout the life. Growth does not continue throughout the life. It stops when the maturity has been attained. Okay, growth does not continue throughout the life. It stops after attaining the maturity. But development, it is a continuous process throughout the life. Development, it is a continuous process throughout the life. Growth, it can be measured. We observe the change can be observed and it can be measured, but development, it cannot be measured. We cannot measure the development. Growth, it is an external process, and development, it is the internal process. So these are the some difference between growth and development. Okay. Growth, it is a quantitative in natures, which can be seen, measurable. But development, it is a qualitative change in quality, characters, which cannot be measured. Growth, it refers to physical change in an individual's, like increase in size, weight, height, etc. And development, it refers to overall change. It refers to overall change. The overall change in our physical organs or structure that result in improved functioning of the physical organs. Growth, it is a physical, and development, it is a overall. Physical, mental, emotional, social, moral, and many more. Growth is only one part of development, but development, it is a complex and comprehensive process. Growth does not continue throughout the life. It stops after attaining maturity. For example, height. After attaining maturity, it stops. But development, it is continuous throughout the life. Change produced by growth can be observed and measured. Okay? Change produced by growth can be measured and observed, but change produced by the Development, okay, the development change that result in improved behavior or functioning cannot be measured directly. Growth focus only on one aspect like increasing body size, but development it focus on various aspects like interpersonal life, intelligence. Growth it is an external process and development it is an internal process. Growth is influenced by development and development it is independent. It does not depend upon growth. For example, if you do not take proper balanced diet, then there will be no proper growth. Okay, growth is influenced by development, but development it is independent. Growth may or may not bring development. Okay, growth may or may not bring development. For example, increase in size. If the person's height is increased but there is no development, for example, there is no development in IQ level of a person, proper functioning of the organs. So, growth can be possible without development. For example, increase in height but there is no increase in functioning of the organs, etc. Same development, it is also possible without growth. Okay, development, it is also possible without growth. For example, your IQ level is improving, your organs functioning is improving, but there is no growth. For example, there is no increase in the height, but the functioning of the organs is improving. So, development is also possible without growth. These are the some difference between growth and development. Okay, student, growth means additions, increase or addition in size, weight, height, which can be measured, which can be observed. But development, it is a qualitative change in characters, etc., which cannot be measured. Next is adolescence. Adolescence, it is derived from the Latin word, which means adolescence. Adolescence means grow to maturity. Adolescence, it is derived from the Latin word, means grow to maturity. It is a growing period. Adolescence it is a growing period. Adolescence is a growing period from childhood to maturity. Okay, adolescence, it is a growing period from childhood to maturity. Adolescence, it is a period through which a growing persons make a transaction from childhood to maturity. Adolescence start with puberty. Adolescence start with puberty and continue till maturity is achieved. This is about the adolescence. Adolescence means growth to maturity. It is a growing period from childhood to maturity. It start with puberty. Okay. Adolescence it start with puberty and continue till maturity and continue till maturity. That is 13 to 19 years. This is about the adolescence. Adolescence growing period from childhood to maturity. It is adolescence. It is a period through which a growing persons make a transition from childhood to maturity. That is from 13 to 19 years. It is also known as teenage. Adolescence, it is also known as teenage. In this period, lot of changes take place. There is a physical, mental, social, emotional, psychological change take place. Okay, at this stage, lot of change take place. Change like physical change, mental change, emotional change, psychological change, social change, etc. The balance between physical and mental development is unbalanced. Okay. The balance between physical and mental development is lacking. Therefore, this is very critical period due to lack of experience. The child is growing. The child is growing, but due to lack of experience, it is a very critical period for both parents and the child. It is very stressful period. Stressful period is difficult for individual as well as family members. This is about the adolescence. Next is adolescent change. What are the change? Adolescent change take place. Adolescent change, like there will be the physical change, mental change, emotional change, social change, etc. Adolescence change. First, physical change. Physical change. Physical change, the physical change like change in height, weight, physical change. In physical change, it takes rapidly. Okay, in this period, the rapid physical change take place. There is change in muscular change in muscular change, bone hardening, mustache, change in voice, black hair, color of the skin change, etc. This type of physical change take place during adolescence. Adolescent needs, therefore, for a proper physical change, adolescents needs proper balanced diet, heavy physical workout. They should do heavy physical workout for proper growth and development. They should participate in creative activity. They should wear suitable clothes, hygienic habits, sports event, etc. Next is psychological change. Next is psychological. Psychological change, as compared to physical change, psychological change is at a lesser period. Okay, it is less as compared to physical change take place rapidly, but psychological change it takes time. Psychological change at this stage, the teenage does not know what is good and what is bad due to lack of experience. The IQ level is developing, but due to lack of experience, he don't know what is good and what is bad for him. He need, at this stage, teenager, they need logical explanations. Intelligent development, education, moral value, etc. At this stage, they should be with a positive friend, with a positive, healthy environment, etc. Next is emotional change. Emotional change, emotion like hate, anger, aggressiveness, violent behaviors, happy, unhappy, etc. These are the aggressive change which take place during adolescence. adolescence. Emotion in adolescence is very sudden and very intense. The emotions are sometimes uncontrollable. The teenagers are sometimes unable to control their emotions. Adolescents, they have aggressive behavior, attitude. Adolescents in this period need moral and character development habit, spiritual guidance, proper attention time, understanding the family needs, etc. And last is social change. Social change, a teenage, social change. A teen is, adolescents enjoy the group of family. They enjoy the company of a friend of his age, okay, friend. Thus the family attachment is more rather than with the family. They love to be with their friend rather than with the parents. They give more importance to the friend. Okay, he needs good friend. Therefore, the parents should act as a friend. Okay, because child give more importance to the friend. He trusts more friend. Okay, his loyalty towards the friend is more. He needs good parents, good friend. Therefore, parents should act as a friend. He should have social quality and its development. This is about the adolescence change, physical change, social change, psychological, emotional and social. Adolescence means growing period. Adolescence, it is a growing period from childhood to maturity. Okay, adolescence, it is a growing period from childhood to maturity. It is also known as teenage. It is between the 13 to 19 years. Teenage, adolescence, where the change take place, physical change, mental, social, emotional. At this stage, adolescence, it is a very critical and dangerous stage due to lack of experience. The adolescents, they have knowledge, but due to lack of experience, they don't know what is good and what is bad for their life. Therefore, it is very critical and dangerous stage. Therefore, the parents should take a proper care. They should live in a healthy environment. They should have he should have better friend, healthy friend, etc. And adolescent change like physical change like change in height, muscle development, bones development, mouth stains, change in voice, black hair, change in skin, etc. These are the physical change. And physical change, it is rapid. Physical change, therefore, for a proper physical change, the adolescent should take a proper diet. He should do heavy physical workout. He should participate in creative idea. He should wear suitable clothes. He should live in a healthy environment for a proper physical development, physical change. Psychological change. The IQ level is increasing, but he has less experience. As compared to physical change, also the psychological change is larger. It takes less. Okay, and psychological change. Intelligence is developing. The child needs logical explanations for his problems. They need logical explanation for his problem. This is stress. They have knowledge, but they have lack of experience. Therefore, it is very dangerous. Therefore, they should have a positive behavior from a family. They should have good friend, etc. Emotional change. Adolescents, they have very sudden and very intense emotion. Sometimes the adolescents are unable to control emotions. They have uncontrolled emotions. They often have an aggressive behavior, violent behaviors. The parents should take a proper care. Social change at adolescence, at teenage, the child give more importance to their friend rather than with the family. Okay, teenagers enjoy the company of friend. They love to be with the friend rather than with the family. Their attachment towards the family is more. Towards the attachment with the friend is more as compared to friend. Therefore, the parents should act as the friend. He should understand the needs, problem of the adolescence of a child and solve his problem. So, this is about the adolescent change. Next is problem. What are the problem of adolescence? Problem of adolescence. What are the problems of adolescence? The first problem is aggressive and violent behavior. Aggressive and violent. Adolescents usually have aggressive behaviors. Okay, adolescents, they have aggressive behaviors. They become violent very fast. They become irritated very fast when the work is of not their interest. When the work or anything is not of their interest, they become aggressive. They become violent very fast. They are unable to control their emotion. They are very aggressive in nature. Overconfidence. Okay, overconfident. Adolescents, they are overconfident and high adolescents, teenage, they are very overconfident. They make a mistake and hide their mistake. Okay, they try to fool others through their intelligence. Friends, give importance. Adolescents give more importance to the friend. Okay, adolescents give more importance to the friend. They enjoy the group of same. They enjoy the peer group, same group. Sometimes the bad friend, sometimes the bad friend with antisocial habit and they try to follow them. Therefore, if they want to be a friend, they should have a good friend. Because, okay, next is wastage of time. Wastage of adolescents. Adolescents waste their time in unusual things like Facebook, playing game, etc. They waste their time on useless things, gossiping, talking with friends, etc. Deflect towards job. Deflect towards drugs. Adolescents, teenage deflect towards the drugs. Usually, the company of bad friend or due to tension, they are deflected towards the health hazardous activity, habit like smoking, alcohol, etc. Attachment. Towards opposite sex. At this stage, the attachment towards the opposite sex. The attachment towards the opposite sex is more. For example, for female, male is good, and for male, female is good. Neglect family, neglect, teenage neglect their family. They don't follow what their parents suggest. Okay, they often neglect and avoid listening to their parents, and they want to be self-dependent. They want to take their decisions self. Adolescents, they have they have very strong and uncontrolled emotions, by which they live in depression. They are in depressions. Lavish expense, lavish adolescents do a lavish expense like beauty conscious, clothes, etc. They wastage of money, lavish expense. They waste their money on useless things like makeup, good clothes, jewelry, fast food, etc. Next is body conscious. Adolescents, they are body conscious. Okay, adolescents, they are body conscious. They do more physical activity. They go in the gym, etc. to keep their body healthy. They are beauty conscious, more conscious about their body, figure, structure, beauty, and do a wastage of money in this thing. Drug abuse. The teenagers often wants to do new things. Okay, teenager wants to do new things, by which they sometimes start using drugs, start taking drugs, etc. These are some problem of adolescence.